Go on, go back in. Go back in. Go back in. No. And here we are for another adventure. Brush outdoors. Round the Arans. And look who I've got with me today again. Hello, boyos. Twin Peaks Wild Camping. Make sure you give them a like, a subscribe, and hit all the thumbs up that you can. Weather's turned. Wasn't forecast any rain. But who cares? We're out. We're in the mountains. I know I've done all these before, but this is an amazing place. I love it. Awesome place around here. Right. Let's see what this adventure brings. So we're just topping out on Droskell, 734 metres. It's the boys' first time on here. I think Mark's having some technical difficulties. I just heard him effing and jeffing. That's one potential area for a wild camp, I reckon. If it's too windy up top. The boys have backed Droskell at 745 metres. Right, into the darkness we go. So here's the stone, the memorial stone. Again, this cairn was built by members of Royal Air Force St. Athen Mountain Rescue Team in memory of SAC Mike Robert Aspain, who on the 5th of June 1960 was killed by lightning near this spot whilst on duty with the team. And you can't see it, but I know you've seen it before on a previous video. There's a hell of a drop down there. So we've dumped the bags about 40-50 metres below the summit. There's no way we're going to get a high camp tonight. As you can see, it's crap. So we're going to go up, bag the mountain with the boys, and then drop lower down, hopefully out of the clag again, so that we can pitch. Right. It's here at the top. Very spooky up here, but we're at the top now. 905 metres. Aran Fawddwy. Put my teeth back in. Fawddwy. We're here. Not that you can see much. And look all around. Hello. Hello. Do you come here often? Look, you can see fuck all. That's the summit. And there's the trig. 905 metres. Woo! So the weather's turned nasty. It wasn't forecasted. We're going to make the sensible decision not to camp on the mountain in this. We're going to drop down and then we're going to go to a bothy. At least we'll be dry. Oh my god, it's turned nasty. At least we're prepared. That's the main thing.
I've used it when I've gone on the walk.
Well, good morning everybody. Didn't do a lot of filming last night. We were just getting here late, shattered. So we just chilled out and had a few beers. Anyway, time to finish the tidying up. Because even in a bothy, leave no trace. Oh, it's raining now. Bloody rain. Yeah, that's what I've done. So that's the end of another adventure. Not quite the one we had planned initially. The weather had put pay to that. Anyway, see you on the next one, guys and gals. Bye, Simon.